start. In the present case, the notification under Section 4 of the Act, 1894 was issued on 27/6/1996. The award was also passed. YD award dated 22/6/1999. According to the land acquisition collector and as per the counter affidavit filed by the land acquisition collector before the High Court, it appears that it was the specific case on behalf of the original respondents that the actual vacant peaceful possession of the subject land falling in Khasra number 759 was taken on 2013, in which the original writ petitioner is having 1/4 joint share, that is administering 1 bigha on the spot and handed over to the requisition agency by preparing proper possession proceedings on the spot. Despite the above and without further commenting upon the taking over of the possession, thereafter, the High Court has allowed the writ petition and has declared that the acquisition with respect to the land in question is deemed to have lapsed on the ground that the compensation has not been paid tendered to the original writ petitioner. However, as observed herein above, the High Court has not disputed and or taken into consideration the taking over of the possession by the land acquisition collector and handing over to the beneficiary by drawing the panchnama on the spot on 31/12/2013. The expression paid in the main part of Section 24 subsection 2 of the 2013 Act does not include a deposit of compensation in court. The consequence of non-deposit is provided in the proviso to Section 24 subsection 2 in case it has not been deposited with respect to majority of land holdings, then all beneficiaries as on the date of notification of land acquisition under Section 4 of the 1894 Act shall be entitled to compensation in accordance with the provisions of the 2013 Act. In case the obligation under Section 31 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 has not been fulfilled, interest under Section 34 of the said Act can be granted. Non-deposit of compensation in court does not result in the lapse of land acquisition proceedings. In case of non-deposit with respect to the majority of holdings of 5 years or more, compensation under the 2013 Act has to be paid to the landowners as on the date of notification for land acquisition under Section 4 of the 1894 Act. In case a person has been tendered the compensation as provided under Section 31st subsection 1 of the 1994 Act, it is not open to him to claim that acquisition has lapsed under Section 24 subsection 2 due to non-payment or non-deposit of compensation in court. The obligation to pay is complete by tendering the amount under Section 31st subsection 1. The landowners who had refused to accept compensation or who sought reference for higher compensation, cannot claim that the acquisition proceedings had lapsed under Section 24 subsection 2 of the 2013 Act. The provisions of Section 24 subsection 2 providing for a deemed lapse of proceedings are applicable in case authorities have failed due to their inaction to take possession and pay compensation for 5 years or more before the 2013 Act came into force, in a proceeding for land acquisition pending with the authority concerned as on 1/1/2014